to the airport and going to Hawaii. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Where's your package? I didn't bring any. I just have my passport. That's all. Oh, okay. Next. Hello. Hi. Are those people following you? And how many tickets do you need? Yes, and 3. May I see the passports? By the way, guys, I'm eating. Okay, look at. Let me look. Okay, let me check. Yeah, all these look good. Yes. Okay, you shall get your tickets. No, get out. Okay, so this is the thing to make you safe. Look, it means green. I'm good. See, if it does a beep, it's good. Okay, your turn. Why did it not beep? Oh, sorry, I was there too fast. See? Ah, okay. Okay, so next. Oh, it's so cool. We're almost in Hawaii. Yeah, twice. That means they're super good. Okay, so here is the next test. Yo, what is that above us? What the? Don't mind that. That's just for decoration. Why does it say balls? I don't know. Maybe it's just pink balls or something. Now you have to wait in line, bro. Hello, people. Hello. What do you want and why do you want to come to Hawaii? To relax in the summer vacation. You shall go. Whee! Never mind. Next. No. Hello. Why do you want to come to Hawaii? To go to the beach. Throw myself in the volcano. Oh, I want to do that too. Goodbye. You can go. Next. Your brother. I didn't know you came. Yeah, me too. I never knew it. Why do you want to come to Hawaii? For my wife is there. Do I have a wife? Nah, just kidding. Need to get there. Okay. Good, right this way. It's her birthday. Hello. Hi. What do you want? And why? Oh my god, why is this so crispy? Crunchy. Why do you want to go to Hawaii? Cause you can go. You go. Go. You go. Wee. Balls, but the turning up them balls. 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 These are ping pong balls, yeah. Ping pong balls, ping pong. It's ping pong ball, yeah. It's ping pong ball, yeah. It's ping pong ball, yeah. Ping pong. Come on, bros, get in. Dude, it's not enough room for us. Yeah, well, just stick on the thing. What? Wait, what? What do you mean stick on. Oh no, you're gonna stick us on, aren't you? Yes, I am Will. Okay. You can, this is safe. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now, be careful with the spinners. Yeah. The spinners go zoom zoom, so yeah. Be careful. If you die, I don't care. Nobody cares. Yeah. Let's go, Sui! Sui! Much later. They finally reached their destination. Yippee! Wow! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah, Chapon, yeah. That's Hawaii, dude. Oh, yeah. I'm not Japan. Yeah. Don't move around. Use my Freddy Faz pistol. Bro, what do you want? Bruh, is this your friend Cactus? Yeah. He's my cousin. Skibbity bop bop bop. Yes, yes, skibbity bop skibbity bop bop. Bop is yeah. Shut up or I'll kill you. No, I have my Freddy Faz Glock. I raised everybody up. Yeah, he's a skibbity Rizzler. Dude, that was my cousin. Not my cousin. Fair point. Anyways, it was annoying anyways. Yeah, by the way, skibbity you just said it your own. Yeah, but it sounds way cooler. Nah, it doesn't. Say it one more time and I'll kill you. Oh, poop. W. And they, were friends happily ever after. Like and subscribe or my banana. I will eat a banana. Ooh.